We have a question from Gerardo Hernandez from Hilton High School. Gerardo.
I'm Gerardo and I go to Hilton High School. Would you talk about energy use and what alternatives there are for the fossil fuels?
The tough thing is that there's no one silver bullet that's going to fix this problem. But there are lots of ways we can get our energy that are renewable. We can look at solar, wind, tidal, geothermal, and all kinds of other ways that really smart people are working on that we can get our energy from that doesn't come from coal or gas or oil. So just imagine for a second a backpack made of some solar fabric that charges your laptop and your phone as you walk around. Imagine houses painted with solar paint, with shingles made out of solar panels. Imagine a little wind turbine on the roof. You could sell your electricity back to the grid. Imagine highways made of solar panels that charge your car as you drive. That'd be a pretty cool future.
You can even incorporate alternative energy into your school. Students at my high school fundraised enough to install 22 solar panels on our roof a few years ago, and the electricity goes directly into powering our school. Now we're using an online petition to try to make it easier for other schools across our county to go solar. Now let's say that you've been trying to reduce your carbon footprint at home and at school. How will you know how much of an impact you've made? Let's have a look.
Online, you can find tools called carbon calculators. They can give you loads of information that show the impact of some simple energy-saving changes you can make. Check out the EcoSchools Carbon Calculator from the National Wildlife Federation. You just pop in a small change you can make, and out comes the carbon emission savings. For example, just changing 5 light bulbs and turning off the lights while you aren't in school results in a savings of almost 2,000 pounds of carbon for the school year. Or check out the Environmental Protection Agency's online carbon calculator. It will show the carbon emissions impacts across the country if every student made the same simple changes you did. Using the carbon calculators, you can see that even small changes can make a big difference.
Many schools have really dived into assessing their energy use, and this can be a really fun, informative, and carbon-saving project.